Today we're going over the top 3 trading mistakes that I see traders making every single day. It's just going to be me, talking head video. There's no need to show the charts or anything like that. We're just going to talk about my top 3, how to overcome them, and what I recommend. Okay? So this could be about 20, but we're gonna narrow it down to top 3, top 4, and kind of subcategories as we go. So I think one of the main problems I see, and I get this message a lot, and I say, hey, how is your trading going? I send that message to everybody that follows me on social media, and I like to get a report on them. Hey, how is your trading? Do you need any help? Can I guide you in the right direction? And a lot of the responses are they're confused about a trading strategy, or they've blown multiple accounts. And so this is my number one thing, is not having a proper trading strategy, a trading setup, and proper risk management. The amount of messages that I get from people that say, I blew my 3rd account. How do you blow your 3rd account? Very easy to fix this. Do not risk more than 2 to 3% per trade. What I recommend is 1 to 2, and if you really want to push it, 3% maximum. I wouldn't want to be the trader that says, I only have $1,000 to my name. I want to turn it into 100,000. Do you realize to turn that $1,000 into 100,000 is extremely tough? I understand you might see YouTube videos of people showing you $1,000 to 100,000. Yes, it definitely is possible, but you are listening to and watching a YouTube video of somebody that's already has the skills. He already has the proven trading plan. He's convinced in his head that, hey, this stuff works. I don't mind going into a 4, 5, 10 streak, losing streak, and going into a drawdown. He has built years and years of experience in order to trade that $1,000 into $100,000. There's probably not much attachment to that capital at risk. As for another trader that only has $1,000, that's a lot of money. So for him to go off and trade that $1,000 and lose it, even $100, that's 10% of his capital. That's a lot of money. Now for somebody that's trading $1,000 and he has a second account of $50,000, he loses $1,000. He's like, whatever. He loses $100 per trade. It's whatever, right? Understand that trader has built a mindset that took him years to master versus a trader that's just getting into it. So how do you do risk management? Do maximum per risk, per trade, 1 to 2%. All right? You're not going to get rich overnight. This is not a get rich quick scheme. All right? Trading is not just an overnight success. It's years of discipline, following a trading plan, and risk management. All right? What I actually would tell people is, if you only have $1,000, get into a proper program where you can actually learn and educate yourself how to properly trade, but then take a $500 trading prop challenge and then trade for a prop firm. You'll still have $500 left over. Go trade for a prop firm. They'll give you $100,000, $200,000. Like, that's the way that you want to go. I tell people, you don't have capital, okay, you're going to want to join a prop firm, okay? Another thing I mentioned is not having a proper trading plan, having a proper trading system, especially in today. This is something that I dealt with, was information overload. You have access to the internet. Yes, I completely agree. Everything is out there on the internet. If you want to go watch Harvard business classes online, these guys are paying $200,000 a year to go to Harvard, and you can watch their classes for free on YouTube. Now, does that mean you're going to get a Harvard education? No, right? But you're going to probably learn some interesting stuff. You know what I mean? What was that going on with that point? Oh, everything's on the internet. Yeah, that's right. Everything is on the internet, yes. But the problem is there's so much information out there. If you YouTube how to identify supply and demand zones, you are going to get 1,000 different videos on YouTube of people talking about, this is how you identify zones. Not this, not this, not this, but this. Then you go watch another YouTube video, and it's a different guy saying, that's not how you do it. This is how you do it, right? And it's the same is true for trend lines, indicators, why you're losing multiple trades. This video right now, top 3 trading mistakes, how to manage your trade management. Every topic, there's thousands of videos, and everybody's giving you a different opinion. Okay, so what do I tell my new people that come into my private group? I tell them, please stop watching everybody that you are currently watching about trading on YouTube. Stop following people on Twitter, stop following people on YouTube, and strictly go all in with my program. I say one system, one mentor, one community, okay? It's all the same stuff. Keep it very simple. Don't overcomplicate it. You have questions, all your questions should go directly to the mentor, to the guy that's helping you, not a random guy that's trying to sell you on a program. Hey, if you're in that program with some guy, that guy should be willing to sit down with you and answer your questions. So back to that topic, information overload. Be very careful what you are Googling on YouTube, because as soon as you lose 3-4 trades in a row, 5 trades in a row, I get it. You start looking for reasons of why you are losing 5 trades in a row. Oh, only if I did this, only if I did this, I would be up. Then you switch and then you go down the same rabbit hole. Trust me, I went down that same thing. It's probably one of the worst things that you can do. Totally, I understand not everyone's gonna learn at their own pace, but I'm just saying, you've gotta have a trading plan, a trading system, a trading setup. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you just have to be all in, all in. Your whole focus has to be that, right? Information overload, quit that. Learn one system, all right? All that. Journal your trades. How do you expect to get better if you don't journal your trades, right? Like I say all the time, if somebody comes to me and they're like, hey, I need help, great, send me your last 20 trades. I can't do that. Well, why not? I didn't journal my trades. Well, I can't help you then, really, man. I can't, you know? So that's why it's so important to be trading under, you know, one system, one mentor, one community, and just that's your all-in focus. And I see all these traders making this big mistake by following 20 different traders. As soon as they lose 5 trades in a row, they're hopping to a different asset class. They're trying a different trading strategy. They have no trading plan. Guys, listen, I get a lot of questions, and I say, a lot of people reach out to me and they're like, I have a high winning, I need to explain something to you. Something that really irritates me about making these YouTube videos is, man, people script them so well, and you listen to these top YouTubers and they're like, you gotta script your videos, you gotta be changing camera angles every 5 seconds. Why? Because the average viewer, the viewer duration is retarded, and they need to be entertained by flashing lights and everything. I'm like, dude, these guys are watching financial videos. These guys are not retarded. You guys are more intelligent than the average person, right? Because you're interested in learning how to make money. You are far above the average person already, so I don't need to do that. You know, oh, look at here, oh, look at here, oh. So, I forget my little point I was going to make there. Sweating my balls off here in Costa Rica. Just let me know, do you guys disagree with my top 3 mistakes that I see traders making? I know it was just kind of a rant, but this is what I see all the time, guys, all right? Focus on one system. Focus on yourself, being surrounded around a like-minded community. What else? Information overload, taking it serious, trading plan, risk management, everything. Like, go hard for 20 trades, saying this is the exact setup I'm going to take for the next 20 trades. I guarantee you that you will be making money, if not break even. And if you're break even, you can review those trades, and then you can say, what happens if I change this? This one little thing, I get rid of it, what happens to my results? Oh, boom. If I did that, boom, I would be up 5%. Boom, okay. For the next 20 trades, go and do that. I say this once in a while, and I say, hey, you guys do 20 trades and you get back to me about your results, send me a message and I'll sit down with you guys in a call. To be honest, one person has only ever reached out to me randomly on social media with that. One person. Private group, they do it all the time. But when I say that on a YouTube video, one person has ever done it, and they did well. They had very good results, and I told them this is what you got to do next. So hey guys, if you guys have any questions, like I said, reach out to me on social media at Moneyball Austin, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. If you guys want to get the free training, you can head over to moneyballtrading.com. That will be in the description below. Get free access to my supply and demand video playlist, why you should be trading a real account versus a demo account, the importance of backtesting, and so much more. All right, guys, if you really enjoyed this, really appreciate it. Subscribe, it's completely free. You don't want to subscribe or you want to unsubscribe, anytime you want. It's right there. All right, have a lovely weekend. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.